When the Brahmin reached home, he saw blood on the Mongoose's mouth, and in that moment his heart filled with rage. But what he did next became the greatest mistake of his life. Tell me, have you ever made a decision in anger and regretted it later? This is one such story. You are watching Talk Through Tales, where simple stories carry powerful truths. In a peaceful village lived a Brahmin, his wife, and their little baby boy. Their home was full of love, but also guarded by an unusual friend, a mongoose. The Brahmin trusted the animal deeply, but his wife was never fully comfortable. What if it harms our child? She would often worry. The Brahmin would smile. Trust is stronger than fear, he believed. One afternoon, the wife went to fetch water and the Brahmin stepped out for alms, leaving the baby asleep and the mongoose on guard. The house was quiet, too quiet. Then, a black snake slid silently into the room. Its eyes were cold, its movement deadly. It moved toward the sleeping child, but it was not alone. The mongoose saw the danger, and without hesitation, it attacked. A violent fight began. Dust rose, the snake hissed, the mongoose bled, but it did not stop. Because some protectors fight, they even without being asked. At last, the snake fell dead. The baby was safe. Moments later, the Brahmin returned. The mongoose ran toward him. Its mouth was red with blood. The Brahmin froze. His breathing grew heavy. His mind shouted only one thing: "My child!" Blind with fear, burning with anger, he lifted the water pot and struck. Only after rushing inside did he see the truth. His baby slept peacefully. Beside the cradle lay the dead snake. The protector he killed had saved his son. The pot slipped from his hands. Tears filled his eyes. But regret comes too late. Sometimes one moment of anger can destroy a lifetime of trust. Before you act in anger, pause for a moment, because not every situation is what it seems. Tell me in the comments, have you ever misunderstood someone and felt sorry later? And if you enjoy powerful short stories told in simple English, subscribe to Talk Through Tales. Your next favorite story is already waiting.